Sadaafashions. Is Sada a good place to buy clothes? Absolutely yes. Wide variety and range of products are available. Saves time and efforts. Convenience of shopping at home and offices. Good discounts and lower prices. We'll give detailed information of the products. It can be cheaper than the high street. No more crowds. Some of our collections are saris, beautiful linen, pochampalli, ikat, cotton, pattu saris are available. Light pattu saris, silk saris, Banarasi silk, lightweight pattu saris, taffeta silk saris, Banarasi silk. Pure cotton saris are also available. We have beautiful collections of saris with beautiful blouse pieces to make you look more beautiful. Kurtis. A wide range of kurtis are available in cotton, silk, rayon, crepe. All sizes are available. Pricing range is budget friendly. And kurtis are trendy, fashionable and makes you look beautiful. Palazzo suits and salwar suits. We are introducing the right fabric to get the best out of you. Fabrics like cotton, chiffon, georgette, silk palazzos are available in our store. We offer a wide range of palazzo suits online. Buy party wear palazzo suits. You can buy designer palazzo suits and plazo dresses from our store. Latest collection of plazo suits designs available at lowest prices. Gowns. A gown is a typically free-flowing long women's attire that dates back to the 16th century. Sada introducing a wide range of Indian gown collection of top designer fashions. Find evening gown, draped gowns for various occasions. Gowns are perfect blends of modernity and tradition. Crest your closet with long gowns. Customer reviews are more important to us. Our prices and reviews are reliable and accurate. Sadaafashions. Contact 934607793. Thank you.